Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Make sure your Moto Edge 50 Fusion is charged, unlocked, and the photo you want is open. Tap Edit, then Tools, then Magic Eraser to enter the Removal workspace. Once in, you'll see suggestions and a brush icon. Use suggestions for quick fixes or select brush for manual control. You're starting now, don't navigate elsewhere, because staying in Edit prevents losing edits. This immediate entry speeds removal and keeps the original intact until you save. Once done entering Magic Eraser, zoom into the problem area and set brush size to match the detail you need. Use the suggestion dots for fast removal. These are AI picks that often work well, then refine using the brush to draw over remaining spots. If you over-remove, tap Restore to paint back pixels or use Undo to step back. Make incremental changes and confirm each pass because precise. Small edits yield natural results and reduce halo artifacts around edges. You're ready to finish. Tap Save Copy so the original photo stays untouched, then compare before and after to verify natural blending. If you notice halos or strange texture, undo the last action, switch to a smaller brush and carefully paint near the edge to blend. Alternatively, undo and try a nearby suggestion dot. If Magic Eraser fails on complex backgrounds, export the copy and use a layered editor. One key tip: restart the app if results glitch, then reapply edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.